So we have started combinational circuit, and till now we have done adders. So we have done all the combinational circuits for addition. Today we'll start combinational circuits for subtraction. Today we'll start subtraction, and first of all we should understand what is subtractor. Subtractor means subtraction karna. We have two numbers A and B. If you have to subtract A, we have to subtract B from A. So what we have? We have two methods. Either we can subtract directly B from A, or the second method is we can find out the complement of B and we'll add that complement with A. Okay? So before seeing subtractor, half subtractor, first of all we'll see subtraction as a binary arithmetic operation. If we have two numbers x and y, okay, so x is 299 and y is 46, so the difference will be 183. Okay, now we'll see in terms of binary. As binary arithmetic operation we'll see subtraction. So 299 का value क्या होगा? 111000101. Okay, and 46 का value क्या आ गया? 101110. Okay, now we have to do subtraction. तो first of all हमें bits equal होने चाहिए, तो 0 0. Okay, now subtraction will do simple subtraction binary arithmetic operation की तरह. 1 minus 0 क्या होगा? 1. Okay, so 1 minus 0 1. Now 0 minus 1 हम नहीं कर सकते, we have to borrow. तो इससे borrow करेगा तो it will, this 0 will become 1 0. Okay, and 1 0 is 2, मतलब decimal में this will be 2 ना. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Okay, so 1 0 minus 1 will be 1 and this will become 0. Okay, so again 0 minus 1, can we do this? Nahi. Again it need to borrow from here. So it is also 0. This is also 0. So they will borrow from here. So this will become 0. And ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये 1 हो जाएगा, and this will be 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1 will be 1 0 minus 1 will be, again it will be 1. Now this is 1. 1 minus 1 0. 1 minus 0 1. And this is 0. But 0 minus 1 we cannot do. So again it will borrow and this will become 0 and this will become 1 0. 1 0 minus 1 1. And this is 0 and this is 1 minus 0 1. Okay. So this will be the value. Okay. This value 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. This value is in decimal. When we'll convert this, we'll get 183. Okay. So now we'll see half subtractor. So in half, when we are talking about half subtractor, no borrow will be, there will be only 2 bits. So we'll talk about single bit binary value. So in case we have two, in this case we have 2 single bit binary values and we have to subtract 1 single bit binary value, let y, and from x. So one single bit binary value from another single bit binary value, and this will give a difference d and a borrow out b out. Okay, so this will be the diagram for this one. X and y, there are 2 inputs and 2 outputs, d and b out. So x, what we have to do? We have to subtract y from x and we'll get the difference d and borrow b out. Okay, this is x and y are single bits in case of half subtractor. Okay. So by taking single bit binary values, when we are subtracting, this kind of subtraction is called half subtraction and the circuit is called as half subtractor. Okay. So for half subtractor, we'll see the truth table. So we have 2 inputs x and y and we have to subtract y from x and 2 outputs, difference and b or borrow out. So first of all, we have to subtract y from x. So 0 minus x minus y, we'll see, we'll do 0 minus 0, the difference will be 0. No, nothing we need to borrow. So it will be 0. Now 0 minus 1, can we do? Yeah, we can do, but we need, it will borrow 1. So borrow karega 1. So it will be 1 0 ho jayega. 1 0 minus 1 will be 1. Okay. Now 1 minus 0, what will be the difference? 1. Borrow 0, nothing. And 1 minus 1, 0. And borrow 0. Kuch bhi nahi liya na. Okay. So based on this one, we can design the circuit. So D is when both the inputs are same, in that case it is low and the output is low, and when both the inputs are different, in this case it is high. So we can say that D is equal to X XOR Y. Okay, XOR apply कर रहे हैं because XOR का मतलब क्या होता है? Whenever it is different the inputs are different, then it will be high. So it means x y bar plus x bar y. ठीक है. Now we'll say this one, b out. B out किस case में? Only in this case. X is 0 and y is 1. In that case b out is 1. That is high. Otherwise 0 है. So can we write like this? B out के case में this will be 1. When we'll multiply this, अगर x bar लेते हैं, it will be 1. So x bar will be 1 into 1 will be 1. So and x bar अगर हम लेंगे तो this will be, when in this case it will be 1 into 0. 0 है and this will be 1. X bar will be 1 and into 1. 1 हुआ and x bar will be 0. In this case also 0. So it will be 0. So this is correct. X bar into y. Okay. Now based on this one we'll design the circuit. X y. Okay. So x y के लिए first of all we'll do for D. Difference क्या होगा? Difference will be, this will be D. X or y. Now we have to find out the B out. B out के लिए क्या होगा? X का, we have to take x का not. Okay. Complement of x and y as it is. And multiply. So and operator will apply here. So it will be B out. Okay. Is it okay? So in this case, when we have to do subtraction, we have to subtract y from b. So borrow, generally what is the value of borrow? Borrow is the complement. We have to find out the complement of x and will multiply with y. Okay. So and difference के लिए हम क्या, what we are getting? So difference का formula x or y. We are applying x y के लिए x or operator will apply and will get the difference. And for borrow out के लिए we have to take complement of x and multiply with y. Okay, then we'll get the borrow out. In this case, in subtractor, half subtractor, we can see the logic for D difference is same as the sum in case of half adder. Half adder के case में जो sum का value आता था, that is x or y. We were applying this circuit ना, x or circuit apply करते थे. So sum का value was दोनों का x or circuit. Okay. X or y. So similarly the value of D के लिए भी the same logic circuit we are applying here. The logic circuit is same in case of half subtractor. Okay. I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.